Hey guys, welcome back to Jaguar Digital. My name is Chris. In this video, we're going to create a new landing page, lead capture page using Mailster WordPress plugin and Elementor PRO page builder and WordPress plugin. So let's jump right in. Okay, if you'll notice here on the resources page, here is Mailster right here. That's an email marketing WordPress plugin. I use Mailster. And to find Mailster, after you come to the resources, you come down here to WordPress, you go down to WordPress plugins. The reason I like Mailster is it's a one-time purchase and there's no monthly fees other than I use my own SMTP or VPS server for email marketing. You can see right here, it's a one-time $1.99, no monthly fees other than currently I'm using Contabo VPS servers, less than $50, and I'm sending unlimited emails. I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, Elementor Pro, you click that WordPress plugin. What this allows me to do, now I build all funnels and do my email marketing for my blog. Now, I used to use Aweber. Okay, they shut me down, closed my account. They kind of left me in limbo. So, and I do like ClickFunnels to build funnels, a lot faster that way, but I don't like the price. So with a little practice, I can build a funnel 5 or 10 minutes, give or take. Here's Elementor Pro. You can see right there, it's a yearly, very inexpensive, and it's great for what I do. Okay, so let's come over here, and here is the lead capture page. I'm going to build something like this. I have this one saved as a template just to save a little time. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to just copy. I do have to create a new form and a list using Mailster. So let's do that first. We're going to create a form and a list. Then we'll build our page. Then we will add an autoresponder message to connect to our list, and we will opt in and test it, make sure it's working fine. So let's get started real quick. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to come over here and pages, we're going to add new, and I have a product. I call this my second helping product in our digital marketing course. This is taught as well. You can see the link below. My #1 course is as comprehensive as there is on the market today. Okay. It's the best course I've ever seen. Okay, so we'll call this Jenny Wave landing page. Publish that, and then all we have to do is edit with Elementor. I have the template already made. I'm gonna just change the wording, and I'm gonna add a new form. Let that come up and I'll show you the template. Okay, right here, the middle button, my templates. Let that load, and our landing page is right here. This one right here. We're going to insert and apply. Okay, there it is right there. Let that load. Now what we have to do is let's go create a form, an opt-in form using Mailster, and then we'll make some edits. So let's create our opt-in form and our list. We'll do the list first, then our form, then we'll finish the page, edit this page, and we'll do one autoresponder message and we'll test it. Okay, so let's come over here to Mailster. And when you use Mailster, when you upload it, it's a WordPress zip file. You'll see it on your left side here on the bar where it says newsletter. That's Mailster. So we can come right down here to forms. First thing we got to do is create a list. So let's open that in a new page, new tab, and let's call it add new list. We'll call this GenieWave, and we'll click add or save. Okay, our list is created. Now let's come back over here to forms. Right there, you got block forms. I'll show you both block forms. I don't use the block forms, but you know, if you want something fancy, create a new form. But they have plenty of templates if you want to use them. I don't really like them. I'm concerned about getting my email in the inbox, not what it looks like. Okay, because ugly works in this business. Okay, there's your templates if you want to use them. I don't use them. I'm going to close that out. Let me close this out. And let's come back over here to forms legacy. I don't want block forms. Okay, add new. And I want first name. I like collecting first name. And let's make it required. And I like to put in here, enter your best email. And on the button, I like to put yes, show me. Okay, let's save that. Now let's go to, we'll call this GenieWave. Here's where we design the button, the form right here. You can see this is what we got right now, which doesn't look too bad. So global label color, you can make it whatever color you want. We'll go with blue. Text color, black. Background like it is. Focus color like it is. Required asterisk, we'll make that red. Then we'll click define the options. Now I'm going to go back and finish designing the form, but right here, after they opt in, I'm going to send them straight to a sales page after they opt in. And here is my sales page. This is Genie form, right? Let me find that sales page. Let me pull it up 1 second. Okay, here's the sales page right here. And this is a ClickBank product. And I really like this product and this page, so I'm going to send them right there after I collect it. So we're going to redirect that for submit right here. And that's got my affiliate link in it. And here's our list we created right there, GenieWave. We don't need to do any tags right now. Now you can do single or double opt-in. I'm going to do single just for the purpose of this video. And let's click save. Now let's go back and let's design our form a little bit better. Our setting, everything's good there. Let's design this form. And button. If you want to change the color of the button, red right there. Text color black, or white, whatever color. Hover color, you can do black and white, whatever you want right there. Fields, we got our fields already. Label black. You can see right here, if you want to change the color of the field, I'm going to just leave it black. Input, I'm going to leave that black. Input background, leave it that color. Enter your best email, black. Input, black. Input background, same. Info messages, success message color, I like green for that. Success message background, I like black for that. Error message, I like red. And error message background, we'll leave that white. All right, let's define the options. We're good there. Let's save. Okay. If we want to change the color of the button, we can do that right here. Background color or custom style, whatever you want, right there. So let's go back. I'm going to leave it like it is for now, just for this video. Let's use it. And all we're going to do is we're going to copy the short code right here, and then we're going to come back to our page we're creating. Right here, and we're going to delete this, or we can just edit right there, take that one out, we'll put in, there's our new form right there, which doesn't look too bad. Now let's edit the text. I want to make it congruent with the sales page, so right here, top NASA scientist, Edison 7-second brain trick activates your super brain. Want a super brain? Top NASA scientist unveils new 7-second. Let's see what actual language he's using here. 7-second brain trick that gives us 7-second brain trick that gives you genius IQ. 7-second brain trick that gives you genius IQ. All right, and that's simple, that's easy, we're good right there. Let's update. Okay, now that is our form right there. We'll view it, and then let's go add a autoresponder message, and we'll opt in so we can test it. Okay, there it is right there. We can play with that form if we want to decorate it a little more. I like simple. All right, so let's come back to autoresponder, newsletter autoresponder, and we're going to go new autoresponder, and we'll create a campaign. We'll call this Genie Wave. And we want to send this autoresponder as soon as they opt in. And here's our list right here, Genie Wave. And subject, we're going to put, let me grab, I have an email message already completed. Let me grab it. Okay, here's my email right here. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to just show you how to link here to the sales page using Mailster. Just click this link right here, and I'll paste in my affiliate link. It takes them to the sales page, and we'll sign off. Cheers. And I added an image right there. Couple little brush ups. I want to put first name right here, so all I do is right here, Mailster user first name, and then let me put it in the subject line. I'm going to copy that first name right there, and right here on the subject line put in first name, and then let me go grab, here's the email template right here. just copied this, and here's the, let me grab a subject line. I like this one, 3,000 day NASA study. Copy that. We'll put that right here. Alright, let me add a couple of emojis. I hit the window button on the left using Windows and the period, so it pulls that up. We'll put in that emoji, and right here I'll just put NASA for the pre-header, NASA study. There it is right there. There's our email. We got one link in here at the very bottom. Let's do a little highlighting just for appearance. We'll grab some words here. We'll highlight those. Let me look at a little text here. They were studying Thomas Edison. Let me highlight that or bold that. Come up here and hit the bold. Now, my font is Tahoma. I love Tahoma. Okay, there we go. Make sure that's Tahoma 3000. I'll bold that. There we go. All right, so you get the picture. There we go. There's our message. Goes out immediately. Let me add a little more space right there. Okay, let's double check under autoresponder that goes out immediately. We got our list right here, GenieWave list. There's our first message, and you can see it goes out 1 minute after we sign up, or they sign up. So let's save this, and then we'll test it. What we want to do is right here, save. Let's send a test. We'll check our links, then we're going to opt in. So let's send a test. Right there, send test. And then we'll come over here to that test email. And here it is right here. There it is right there. 3,000 day study unlocks ancient brain power. Okay, there's our email right there. Let's click this right here, make sure it goes to the sales page. There we go, right there, we're good. All right, so and one other thing I wanted to show you, if you want to save this template, that way you don't have to recreate it. Let me make a couple of adjustments right here. There we go, so they can read it a little better. And let me highlight that or bold that. There we go. Looks a little better. And Genius Gland. Let's bold that. Bring some of this together so it looks a little better. There we go, right there. Now let's update that. Update that and save that. I'll click update. All right, so we're good there. All right, so now what we want to do, we want to go back to our opt-in page. In Elementor, right here in the bottom where it says preview, you click preview right here, preview changes. Now we can opt in. So let's put in name. Let me put in an email address. I'll use that one right there. It should take us, when we click yes, show me, straight to the sales page. There we go. So we're working good. There's our lead capture page using Elementor PRO and Mailster. Now let's come over here, and in 1 minute we should get the first email that we just created. Give that 1 second. Let me pause the video. Okay, here is our email. It has arrived. 3,000 day NASA study unlocks ancient brain power. There is the email right there. And let's check the opt-in page. Just click the link. Being redirected to our sales page. There we go. So we're good to go. That's how you use Elementor with Mailster. And once again, you can come right over here to rchris4.com. I'll leave the link below. Just go to the resources right here. And Mailster, it's a one-time, $1.99, no monthly fees. If you already have a WordPress blog, if not, it's real easy to set up. WordPress is free. Elementor Pro, I think the Pro is $59 a year. Just click right there. I do get a small commission when you use my links. I appreciate that. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, reach out, Chris at rchris4.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment below what email marketing platform you're currently using, whether it's Aweber, GetResponse, and if you find Mailster, if you have any questions, just reach out. Till next time, bye for now.